Console Vault Electronic Elite Lock Install.
First thing I have to do is get that off. So the things I need are a drill bit in those sizes, a drill, a Phillips screwdriver, and a 7/8 socket. 1/8, 3/16, and 15/64, and a 7/8 socket. So in the package you have your lock, a template, the screws you're going to need, and a charger. Didn't see one of these washers in the new kit, so I'm going to just go ahead and use the one from the old kit. Before you can put any of those parts on, you have to line this up and then stick the back on here so that way you can drill these holes. Stick. And put this down here. Move. Stick. Stuck. Stick. Stuck. There. It keeps springing open, so if you want to drill this out without having to hold it, probably best to install the old lock now that the sticker's on there. Now that that's installed, let's get these holes drilled. I'm going to start with the 1/8 inch bit. Now that those are drilled through, we have to switch to a 3/16 bit. Now for the last one, the 15/16. I just got to vacuum this stuff up. Now you can remove it. And this just goes in here. Oops. Definitely locked. From the factory, it comes at 0. Okay. Some people might be hesitant to buy a digital thing that maybe the battery might go out or something like that. There's a charging port right in the side right there. USB's right here. Comes with its own USB, so everything you need to charge is right here to right there. Once you have it plugged in, it actually lights up red, so that way you know it's charging. Once the light turns green, it's fully charged and you can unplug it. To redo the locking code, all you do is put in the current code and hold OK, and then put in your new one, press OK, put in the new one again, press OK. Now, 0 won't work anymore because it's America's birthday.